Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I have Diesel here today. We are going to go really short on him. He's a little bit matted, so we are going to be documenting his first groom. It's his first time, so without any further ado, let's get on it. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. None of the products that you see me using are going to be or are paying me in any way, shape, or form. This is just me documenting Diesel's first groom. I have Venus on the back barking, as you can hear. So she is done already. She's gonna go home in a few. But we are going to start with Diesel. So let's get on it. This is like I was saying, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm using the products that I love, and the links are going to be in the description box. It is super important to take their time. Basically, that creates a routine, a grooming routine, and they get familiar with it. Thank you. Now I'm switching to a smaller blade. But this one is going through the nuts. I know, that's yours. Now I'm gonna do this back leg. It's okay, baby. It's okay, my baby. It is important to get them used to the grooming routine as early as possible. I know. I'm gonna talk to them about scheduling every 6 to 8 weeks. So we can always keep them nice. Now I'm going to switch to my number 10 to do the sanitary clip. On this, he needs some privacy, so. Okay, so we are back. He's been already bathed. The nails have been clipped. The ears have been cleaned. And everything has been done. So now I need to go back and finish what we were doing. I am going to be using my number 5 again. Yeah, baby, yeah. Normally after the bath they get more relaxed, so they're getting more like comfortable. over here. I need to use the number 7. So I need to get back. Okay guys, so now I am brushing the head. As you can see, we're gonna start shaping the head, and then we're gonna move forward to the face. I'm going to be using my scissors right here to clip off the top knot. The front of the this puppy already it's been already scissored, so here you go. I'm like evening it out. Jesus Christ, this is hard. I'm evening out the top of the head. I'm gonna be making it round. On this area, you have to be very careful because sometimes they actually pull from one moment to another. So you have to be firm without squeezing too hard, but just having it in control. Like you can see, it is really important that you actually keep the control of the head of the puppy because that's when accidents happen. As you can see, I'm holding it with my left hand, and you know he's still pulling out. I'm doing it with patience where we can stay here the whole day, not a problem. You have to keep it in control. And then he realizes like, oh, this is nothing, you know, he's not gonna hurt me or anything. Rounding the front. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Now we're going to go with the rest of the face. So just giving it the form. You always have to be careful when you do that by not cutting the actual ear, you know, the skin. So you have to keep it firm and, you know, without being too rough. There we go. I'm shaping. oops, they're fast and they're not used to it. That's why it's really important to get the dogs in the regular routine, in the grooming routine. So every 6 to 8 weeks, you should have your dog groomed. There you go. He's looking so cute. He has some knots on the ear, so what I'm using is I'm using my fingers to protect the to feel where the edge of the ear is, so that way I'm cutting like away from the ear, not actually nicking the skin. So you can see I'm using my fingers just to protect it. Tan tan. That is one ear, and then I'm evening out these little hairs that are sticking out. I'm gonna move to the other one. See, like I'm filling the ear and then I'm clipping. Please be careful if you're gonna try this at home, or do not try it. I'm not saying that you should be doing this. Like playing with scissors is not easy, and if you have kids, please do not let your kids trim the dog's hair. Okay, so I am saying that this is how he ended up looking. Don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Say bye.